Marine Corps Base Camp Blaz. Marine Corps Base.MCB Camp Blaz is a U.S. Marine Corps facility located in the village of Dededo in northwest Guam. MCB Camp Blaz was activated on October 1, 2020, becoming the first new Marine Corps facility since the predecessor of Marine Corps Logistics Base Albany was commissioned on March 1, 1952. The base will house Marines relocated from installations in Okinawa Prefecture, Japan, with the final relocation planned for 2025. Joint Region Marianas is the installation management authority for MCB Camp Blaz, as well as Naval Base Guam Andersen Air Force Base. MCB Camp Blaz is named after Brigadier General Vicente T. Blaz. Blaz was the first person of an ethnic minority to reach general rank in the USMC, and the highest-ranking Chamorro ever, as well as Guam's delegate to Congress from 1985 to 1993. The main dormitories will be located next to Naval Computer and Telecommunications Station Guam, with the final base to house 1,300 permanently stationed Marines and support 3,700 additional Marines on rotating assignment. Base construction includes multiple new ranges and training facilities, schools, housing, and other support facilities. The Department of Defense spent $365 million in FY 2020 on relocation expenses, with the total cost expected to be $8 billion, of which the government of Japan will provide $2.8 billion. The governor and legislature of Guam have been engaged with the Guam Military Buildup.